discussion. Psychedelic surrender, freshes forlorn eyes, gave us will to create, and gives the best advice. Psychedelic surrender, the story's yours to write. Something bigger than ever, something bigger than life. You gotta dig every step you take, otherwise you won't dig nothing. Back pocket holds a whole plan to escape, grounds to hit the ground running. Psychedelic surrender.